Okay, how are you doing? Wow! You're almost done!
I'm God. Noah. Put that there. We're
Wow!
done. We need to make it.
Good job!
We need to make it super flat. Flat.
You did it! How did you build it? Teamwork! Good job, kids!
Hey,
Good
Noah's.
job! Mommy is happy. Good.
Hey, Noah's gonna take an
Good job.
autograph.
Good job. What puzzle did you build?
Noah's Ark.
The
Hey,
Noah's
is
Ark.
that Japan?
What is the story of Noah's Ark?
Is that Japan? One for a one. Excuse me?
What is the story of Noah's Ark?
There was a flood.
Okay.
I saw you in the story.
The book is no longer there. Here. But no, just let me know what do you know about the Noah's Ark. Just tell it to me.
It's Noah's wife.
Mm-hmm.
What was that?
I'll find Noah's wife.
You know, ito. You know. See?
Okay. Next, find the koala.
Koala. Found it.
Found it, and there's another koala.
Zebra. I'm gonna
There are
find
two koalas. There you go.
I'm gonna find
The
I want
dove.
zebra.
Find the dove.
That is the dove. This one?
Dove. Next, what's the next? Giraffe. First, find the giraffe.
Found it.
Giraffe. The lion. Where's the lion?
Ha!
There's the lion. Next, find the flamingo.
Found it.
Flamingo. And the next is find the
Zebra. Found it.
There's a zebra.
Nathan.
Next, find the butterfly. Oh, I think the butterfly is a little hard to find. Find the butterfly.
I thought it's this. Is it on the boat?
Don't cover the puzzle so you can see it. Oh, I found it already.
Yeah.
It's near the elephants.
Found it! Found it!
There you go. There's that. Of course, diba? How many animals yung dinadala ni... Wait, Leah, wait lang. How many animals yung dinadala ni Noah? Diba two? Ano yung dinadala niya na two?
Elephant.
No, one male and one female. So there should be another butterfly. Find the other butterfly. Don't cover it, Nathan. Don't cover it, Nathan.
I didn't found that right.
Okay, and then find the turtle.
Found it!
Turtle. Next, find the rabbit. Next, find the, what's this? Oh, the ladybug, the ladybug, the ladybug. Is that a ladybug or a mushroom? Oh, it's a ladybug. There's a... Then the donkey. Where's the other donkey? Where's the other donkey? Then the sheep. Where's the sheep? There we go. Monkey. Then the what? The squirrel. Oh no. And where's the other one? Oh, ano pala, no? Nalaktawan ni Mami. Dragonfly pala. Oh, I think the dragonfly is a little... You found it agad. Where's the other one? Oh, there's the other one. Oh, last, how many animals? Last two na lang. Oh, the parrot. Right? Oh, and of course, Noah. Where's Noah? Oh. Good job.
Noah's wife, you
Good
forgot.
job,
You forgot Noah's
Noah's wife is there, diba? She's the first you found her. Good job.